Mr. Overett, it is your claim that the defendant did such a negligent job in redesigning and refurbishing your law office that you're entitled to your money back. Mr. Bork has a counterclaim, and that is for money he spent prior to your firing him from the job. So I know what you do for a living, Mr. Overett, because you indicated in your complaint that you're an attorney practicing where?
In Long Beach, California.
And Mr. Bork, in what month and year did you meet Mr. Overett?
I don't recall the month and year, but it was several years ago, probably about 8 years ago.
Do you remember where you met him?
At a coffee shop I worked.
He was a customer?
Correct.
At what point did whatever friendly relationship you have progress further than working at a coffee shop and serving him coffee?
I believe in early May, I ran into him at another place I worked.
What kind of place were you working?
Retail.
Between working in the coffee shop and seeing him in May of this year, had you seen him in the interim?
Maybe in passing, I don't recall.
So really had not seen him again in 8 years?
No.
You were working in retail, he came into the store where you were working?
Correct.
What kind of retail?
Furniture.
How long had you been working there?
4 months at the time.
Prior to that, where had you worked?
In television production.
For whom?
BET, in a small production company.
And how long had you worked for them?
7.5 years.
Doing what?
Showrunner's assistant. Started as a PA.
And then you went to work for 4 months in a furniture store.
Correct.
What's your educational background?
I have a bachelor's.
In what?
Political science and education.
So you have neither experience or educational training in design? No.
Experience in TV production design, yes.
Yeah, you're a PA, so you have neither an education in interior design, nor do you have, as far as I can see, any current in the last decade work that involved you being in charge of a design.
I was a production designer on a web series for Google this past year, as well as private clients doing design work.
Okay. You have neither that you are able to tell me either educational experience or in the last decade, from what you've told me, you were in TV production for 7.5 years, you worked in a coffee shop 8 years ago, and in the last 4 months, you've worked in a furniture store in retail.
Correct.
Now, you have a bachelor's degree, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And a law degree.
Yes, ma'am.
And I assume from the fact that you have a law office that you took and successfully passed the bar exam in the state of California.
I did.
So where did you leave your brains when you hired someone who had no educational experience and no experience to redo your law office? Where did you park them for the day? That's what I'm trying to understand, Mr. Overett.
Well, it's an excellent question, if I may respond.
Of course it's an excellent question. That's why you keep me here.
The undertaking was not so massive that I was super concerned.
It's not a massive undertaking. I'm going to read your...
I mean, it's a 1,000-square-foot office, and Mr. Bork expressed interest, and through conversation, it seemed like he actually had more knowledge than me, let's say, and I needed a little manpower at that time to help me get through the project.
You needed manpower to do what?
Well, it's like planning a wedding when you're remodeling something. There's a thousand decisions to make.
When you hire somebody.
Yeah.
When I hire somebody, Mr. Overett, and if I'm going to spend at least 8 hours a day in my 1,000 square feet and invest some money in it, I want somebody who knows what the hell they're doing. So I hire somebody that I get a recommendation from, that I've seen their work, that I look at their work and I say, gee, I like their style, I like the way they operate. I got a couple of recommendations other than the fact that he served me coffee 8 years ago and that he works in a furniture store. There's something else that I'm not getting.